Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm Guru Rajan. Welcome to my YouTube channel to watch these series of videos in software development. In this video, let us look at the obvious and not so obvious good things or advantages of work from home. When you work from home, you can choose a place where you can work. You can choose a spot which is convenient for you at home, and then you can have a custom setup environment with the furniture you want, and then you have a 34-inch curved dual monitor with a high performance box, and then a proper ergonomically designed posture for you. So all this can be done if you work from home. And second, you can have homemade food. You can have good food at home which is both healthy as well as you save a few bucks on coffee and a lunch which you take outside. So this looks as a very silly advantage, but it's really good for your health if you have food at home, and also you get a long time, a healthy life to work on the passion which you want to do for a long time. So these are the couple of advantages you get when you sit at home and work. The other are related to the advantages that you can avoid while working at office. For example, when you're in office, usually on an average people go to have a cup of coffee or some snacks twice a day in their office hours. So probably you lose around 15 to 20 minutes of time walking to the canteen or talking to friends while you're doing that. So probably around 20 minutes each, twice you lose this time, and this is high productive time. This is prime time in your office, and you're not even aware that you're losing this time. But you can save this if you work from home. The other thing I have myself experienced and a lot of people shared with me is, over a period of time, a lot of people simply barge into your office or cubicle and then they ask a doubt which could have been cleared even by an email. So you actually lose time talking to people who are simply uninvited guests. So you can neither say yes to them nor say no to them. You keep spending around 15 to 20 minutes of time, and your time just goes like that, and you don't have control over this time talking to uninvited guests at office. You can totally avoid this while you work from home. So I have personally experienced this a lot of times, and then over a period of time I have learned how to say no for them and then focus on what I really wanted to do at office. But when you're young, it's very difficult to say no. On top of it, you add up to the time you spend on going to the canteen and coming back, and then you spend time on the water cooler and the coffee machine discussions. Then you have easily 60 to 90 minutes of time lost during the prime time of your work day. Finally, you spend a lot of time driving to office and coming back, isn't it? That's a lot of time and prime time. Sometimes people say I can productively use this time by listening to podcasts of Robin Sharma, or I can listen to the podcasts of audiobook of Atomic Habit by James Clear. Yes, you can use this time productively. I do agree with that. But still, if there is traffic and you are focusing on the traffic on a highway, you cannot totally listen to the podcasts. You have to concentrate on the road as well. So it's not that you can be totally focused on what you're doing. You have to focus on the road as well. So the time while driving to office is probably best spent by listening to some cool music. So that 90 minutes of time going to office and coming back is actually a prime time lost. So people don't consider this. So if you add up all these together, going to canteen and spending time having a cup of coffee or talking with your friends or some uninvited guests in your cubicle, or driving to office and coming back, these times, if you add up, probably it adds up to 180 to 200 minutes a day, which is a lot of time. So over a period of 5 to 10 years, this accumulates, and then you probably waste 1 or 2 full years on this time lost. All this can be totally avoided if you work from home. So you have advantages of working from home from the point of view of your home, as well as avoiding the commute and then spending time in the office. So all this put together is using productive time. But you can use this productively only when you have the mindset of let me be more productive. If you are thinking about more productivity, then these things will certainly help. So if you are looking at it positively, certainly work from home is one of the best options for improving your health, spending time on fitness, and also for using your time productively. So hope you liked this video. Give me a like. Also leave your comments in the comment section. Do subscribe if you like the content of this channel. Thanks for watching.